Hey YouTube family, it's Carolyn Arellano, and in this video, I am going to teach you how to start making money today by cleaning homes and only having to spend under $40 at the dollar store. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. All right, so here we are, you guys. We are going into the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be purchasing all the products that I would if I had to start all over again from scratch and had not a lot of funds, right? Hey cleaning family, we are back from the dollar store and I have spread out all of the supplies and equipment that I purchased here on my kitchen table so that we can go over all of these items. Everything that you see in front of me, I only spent $39.82 and that was including tax. So if you have $40 in your bank account or if you have $40 that somebody can lend you and you need to make money fast, I am giving you a solution right here. You can easily charge $150 to start to clean an apartment or a home. So with those $40 spent, if you were to charge somebody, let's just say $100 on the low end, that is a $60 profit that you will see. So no excuses, you guys. This right here is how to start a business today. Let's get into these products. These are staples, meaning items that I would absolutely feel that I need to go into a house clean with. First, you're gonna see this bucket. Now, this bucket can be used to carry some of this equipment, but also is going to be used as a mop bucket. Now, with this mop bucket, we're going to use just a little bit of our disinfecting mop solution with our microfiber mop head and this pole. Now, I only purchased one pole to use for both the mop head as well as the broom. Of course, before you mop a floor, you know you're gonna have to sweep that. And over here, I also have a dustpan. I only purchased one pole because I was shopping on a budget and I really don't need two of them to clean a home, at least not at first. Here you're going to see two little shower caddies that I would use to carry some of the supplies. I did purchase two because I feel like we're going to have to use these two caddies along with the mop bucket in order to get everything organized. So let's get into some of the tools that I grabbed from the dollar store that I feel like I would absolutely need to take with me during a house cleaning. Now for the shower and actually for anywhere in the kitchen that you may need, I grabbed a really hard scrub brush. I also grabbed a shower squeegee so that you can clean all that excess water off the shower doors and don't have to worry so much about those streaks. Right here, you're going to see that I grabbed a 6-pack of dish sponges. Now these are going to come in super handy, not just if you're cleaning a client's dishes, but also for shower doors, countertops, baseboards, and anywhere you really need to get in and scrub. Of course, I grabbed a 10-pack of latex gloves. Everyone should be cleaning with their hands in gloves at all times. I also made sure to grab a all-purpose scrubber. This is really for, I would say, more of the kitchen area. So again, dishes, and if you have to clean some stove grates and the top of the oven, this will come in handy. Speaking of ovens, I also grabbed a oven cleaner heavy duty. Now this is if you need to clean the oven. I would spray the oven immediately when entering a home. And then I also grabbed a box of Brillo pads. Now Brillo pads are used inside of the oven, on the stove grates, and these can also be used on the top of the stove. but that is the only places that I recommend using Brillo pads. Here you're gonna see an empty spray bottle. After we run out of this all-purpose cleaner, you could then take a little bit of this awesome floor cleaner and dilute it with some water and mix it up to use as an all-purpose cleaner. So I have a toilet brush wand here that you're going to need to clean the toilets. What I would suggest is when you're done using it on a client's toilet, please be sure to triple bag it with plastic bags. And if you can toss it, go ahead and toss it, because again, they only cost $1. If you're interested in learning how to open your very multi-six-figure cleaning business, please be sure to check out the link in the description of this video to my online cleaning courses. Now, I have always been a huge fan of Ajax soap. I actually still go to the dollar store to pick this up for my team members. I carry this to clean pretty much everything. This is going to help you clean dishes. If you guys clean dishes, this will help you clean counters. This can even work as a floor cleaner if you don't have any with you. Ajax is really just versatile and helps get up grime and dirt. I grabbed a glass cleaner, and this is going to be for any glass surfaces. Here I grabbed a pack of 2 magic erasers. These things come in handy and I love them so much. This can help you with any type of grease. We use these mostly in the kitchen or on baseboards. Now let's talk about bathrooms and toilets. So we went over the scrub brush for inside of the toilet. Now we have some toilet bowl cleaner. Aside from using the toilet bowl cleaner inside of the toilet along with the scrub brush, I did get some totally awesome mold and mildew shower and bathroom cleaner. Now I would use this on the toilets, on the sinks, and in the showers in tubs. And again, only in the bathroom. The magic erasers or the dollar store version also work really, really well in the showers if you guys have any grime buildup, as well as on the tubs. All-purpose cleaner, it's called a cleanser and degreaser. Just please be sure to read all the labels on every single one of these chemicals to make sure that you can use these on the right surfaces. Now, I would use this to clean any surfaces throughout the home, such as kitchen tables, wiping down doors, and even using this in conjunction with the set of microfiber cleaning cloths. So you can just spray a little bit on this to make it damp and get to damp dusting. We have our microfiber towels here. There are only 2 in each pack. So I grabbed 2 of these, and these are going to be to clean or wipe down any surfaces that we don't want to use the paper towel with. Now we are down to our last 2 items. Now this is called Totally Awesome Degreaser, and this is something we actually still pick up from the dollar store for our business. Now we mostly use this in kitchens where you're going to find a lot of grease buildup. So we do use this again on the tops of the stoves and in the kitchen. I did make sure to include a box of garbage bags. Now every client should have garbage bags to replace the bags that they already have, but these are going to be very handy when you want to put your dirty rags somewhere, as well as any garbage that you may accumulate while you are cleaning using the paper towel. Now that just leaves us with our odor ban, disinfectant, and fabric air freshener. Now this you're going to use just to leave a very clean scent behind. Now that we've went over all of the supplies and equipment that I grabbed from the dollar store, let's try to get these baskets together so that we can transport these items efficiently. Cleaning family, now you guys are all packed up and ready to go to take on your very first cleaning. Now I do want to mention that repeatedly over this video I did talk about house cleaning, but this could also work in commercial settings. So again, you guys, if you have $40 in your pocket, or even have somebody that you can ask to borrow $40 from, you can instantly start a cleaning business. Now, of course, it's not going to be a legitimate cleaning business right away, but sometimes we need the funds before we can go ahead and do such things. This was my video on how to start a cleaning business under $40 so that you guys can get out of that jam that you are in. And if you were to charge just $100 for a cleaning, you would walk away with a $60 profit and still enough supplies to go ahead and clean a second, a third, and possibly even a fourth location. If you guys found this video inspirational and educational, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.